cut out a couple of wheel housings. This will fit a 13-inch wheel, pneumatic wheel. I'm going to put two on the bottom of this frame. We're going to go one here and one here. I'll have them up about 4 inches or so off of the floor so that when I tilt this back, it'll automatically pick it up when it hits the wheel. So that's the plan. Here's the wheels right here. They're just pneumatic wheels. This is a 5/8 hole, so we'll have 5/8 rod in there with washers that I cut. These are all 5/8 washers. And that will be for the wheel. We had the machine cut curve cuts so I could make these bends. So I always put a little bit of a line with my grinder all the way down just to make sure that the bend stays crisp. Okay, there's our cut file. And here it is mounted. I'm going to use some square tubing for a spacer and not use all these washers. The batteries in my tripod quit, so it flipped down, so I just kept going with the video. Here I'm drilling the holes for the cotter pins that'll hold the wheels on the shaft. Cleaning up the hole the plasma cut with the bit.